Alright, my friends, I figured I would make this quick little video as a kind of follow-up video to I think it was an unboxing video that I made of this Duralast Jump Starter portable battery. And right now, it is 255. Well, probably when I plugged it in, we'll say 255. And so what I'm doing right now is just letting you guys see. I don't know if it was completely empty, meaning there wasn't anything in there at all, but right now, out of the 3 different phases of, or levels of how much juice is in here, you can see it's on the first one, which is the lowest. And so again, about 2:55 is the start time of when I plugged this bad boy in, and I'll let you guys know how long it takes to fully charge it so that it's up on that green one over there. Oh, well, that was interesting. So I actually thought it had some juice in here. I didn't think it was completely dead, so I was kind of surprised, but evidently there was more juice in here than I thought. So I guess this video won't necessarily be on, you know, showing you how much time it takes, because it definitely, if it was actually empty, you know, like almost dead, it would be more than, you know, the 2 minutes or however long, 3 minutes that it's been charged for. So the weird thing is that it didn't show it in that middle area, which I believe it does do that. I'm pretty sure I have seen it do that while I was using it. But it's interesting that the way it just jumped right there a moment ago. I wasn't expecting that, but in any case, the other aspect of this battery that I wanted to show you guys is exactly what I mentioned a moment ago, which is how to charge it. I'll have a link in the description area. So if you have one of these portable Duralast batteries, I believe they all are similar, where you will need to buy this cord that has the female part, as you can see here, that will go in here on the side of the portable battery. And this at least is the Duralast one. I can't say, you know, exactly how they're all going to be with every brand, but at least with Duralast, this is how it works. So all you do is plug it in to a power outlet, get your female part over here, and just plug it in. I'm using one hand, so you can see right now the battery was just on red for a split second, but then it came over here and jumped on to the green one, which now it's actually going, the camera's not doing a greatest job with showing it going in and out. It kind of does. I think you guys might be able to see it actually. So you can actually see it charging. It's putting in that work. Now again, it's weird it didn't show it at that second stage in the area, in the middle area there. But either way, we can see it's doing the do right now. It's charging, and that is how you charge this bad boy if you have one of these, if you decide to buy one. So like I said, I'll add a link down below to, maybe not this exact version, maybe not even the exact brand, but just ultimately getting a portable battery charger that will allow you to jump start, you know, your vehicle, is going to be immensely helpful for those of you out there that have, you know, you driving a hoopty, or maybe like in my case, this initially was for my hoopty. I have a new truck, but now I use this for jumping my motorcycle in the winter here in New England, here in Massachusetts. So that's why I'm charging this now, so that I can go out and show you guys how to actually use this and how to charge, how to jump start, you know, a motorcycle. In other vehicles, essentially, is the same difference, but yeah. In my case, it's for my motorcycle. So I'll probably post this video as is. Like this video if you thought it was helpful. Subscribe to the channel. I'll have more tips and tricks and kind of reviews and basic tutorials. I'm not an expert at anything, but you know, I know a thing or two. I do make a little money doing various kind of general labor jobs and whatnot. So oftentimes I'm using, you know, we got this bad boy over here. What is it? The rigid dry vac. That is a beast. I made a video with that, for example. And, you know, I'll do more. I mean, I got this guy right here, which I love. Little kind of portable Eagle, kind of like a battery station, so to speak. So you would just get your Eagle battery connected to this, and then you can plug items in that you need to charge and whatnot. So this is clutch. I love this as well. So, you know, maybe I'll do a test or something to see like which one of these, if I had this with the Eagle battery and I had that side by side charging something, which one would last longer. I mean, this thing looks like it's bigger even if I had a battery on it, so I would imagine this will probably win, but who knows, you know. So in any case, I'm just blabbing at this point. Let me know if you guys have any questions, thoughts, comment down below. You already know I appreciate you guys, and I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video. Peace.